A wild stream appeared! A wild game dev stream appeared! What's this? This was at the suggestion of my brother, who said, "Are you gonna stream something?" And I said, "No." And then he's like, "What? You're not gonna stream your game dev today?" And I'm like, "No. But what if I did?" So I had an idea. So I have this idea, and it was I tried to create a graphics library. I still need to add some stuff to my the folder with the graphics library example, but maybe I could add to it as we keep going in the stream. How about that? We'll use a thing. We'll use some stuff. We'll use some stuff. How about that? How about that? So let's get started. So I already have some stuff here. What I want to do is I want to get some of the stuff, not all of it though. This, oh wait, it's supposed to be a header. This is a .c. Bleh. Hold on. I'm gonna delete that. Make a new file. Graphics lib.h. There we go. I called it Vircon lib, but I'll change it right here. Graphics lib. I'm already thirsty, I'm sorry. Isn't that weird? Now, what I want to do is I want to import some official libraries. For example, I want to add the Vector2D library. And I want to add the Box 2D library, the Box H library. Whoa, nighttime stream, what's up? The ceiling. No, actually, the moon. The moon is up, the clouds are up. Yeah. So, it's, it's one of those kinds of things. Blame my brother. Okay. So, what we need to do is we need to include vector. I think, yeah. I'm using the libraries that I want to include in my library. It's libraryception. Goodness gracious. Now let me add my let me add a file first. So that way we can get an idea of things. So these are kind of the things that we need for this. I think that's how it's done. I'm not sure. This is the first time I've ever done a graphics library. Alright. So, I guess we can include something like this. Because what I want to do, what I want to be able to do is add at least the box H. Ensure dependencies are present. Cool. Please add box. Please add official library box dot H to use and all dependencies before use. And then we can add the struct for, oh wait a minute. Wrong spot. Oop. There. There. And then what I do is that I want to be able to add a box. Let's see. I want to add all these to the box because I think that would help a little bit with collision. I mean, we don't have to use, I mean, I don't know. I'm thinking maybe include a box because it seems like it's a lot of, because there's position and hotspots that are in the box, so I think that will work instead of, you know, I think I just need to close that. There we go. That way I won't confuse myself. So in here, let us add, instead of all this, hi Root Beer Blast, it's been a hot minute. Oh, I know, it's so hot. Wait, is there width and height in box H? Yes, there is. Yeah! Well, actually, I'm an ice dragon. I'm an ice dragon magical girl, so... But yeah, I am a dragon. Oh, yeah. It's why I have this snowflake necklace. Ah! Your pun no longer works. Whoa. Where am I supposed to be at? Yeah, right here. Blame my brother. Blame my brother. Blame my brother for this. I want to see him in stream. I want to see him chat. But I don't know if he's going to chat. Hey, brother. Hey, brother. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Alright, so we will add box. There. Delta, previous contacts. Yeah, let's add. I'm gonna move this over here. That will be, for example, box. We're gonna add the box. I'm gonna say it'll be box B. That's how it works, right? Ah! I forget how everything works. Okay. But it's okay. It's okay. We're good, we're good, we're good. So that means what I want to do in this one is make a, have it be object O. We'll have an object O here. I I think. And then with over here in object, there will also be... I don't think we need those. But that we'll definitely need... We already have velocity in box, don't we? Yes, we do. We don't need speed. I'm trying to make sure that it's not... There isn't any redundancy in my graphics library. So what we're going to do is we're going to make some INTs. And we're going to make it so that way it will be INT texture region I think that'll work. Maybe. Oh wait, that was my recording. That was my recording button. Okay, I think that is how pointers are supposed to work. Let me double check one of the other space shooter things that I have. Got it in game.c. Yeah, it looks like there's pointers everywhere. Pointers everywhere. Look there and here and everywhere. I actually don't know if... Yep, there is in fact. Unless... Yeah, we're gonna keep it like that. Alright. So. Oh. Texture equals... What if I did object O instead? O texture O region O dot B dot X, maybe? I'm not exactly sure if that'll work. Hold on. Oh shoot, I think I forgot something in the make file. Hold on. Show more options, edit in Notepad. I'm gonna do this with, oh really? Oh no. Okay, yeah, I messed something up in the make.bat, so let me copy paste some stuff real quick, chat. Because what is supposed to happen is it is supposed to save and run. And it's supposed to show up. Oh wait. No. Where is it? Fit to screen. No. Maybe it's supposed to be a game capture? Let's try it. Let's try it. No? Strange. Strange. But you know what? It's fine. That's what I'm here for. There we go. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. That is... Okay. Well, that just shows that how my compile and run thing works. If it didn't work, then this would have been not worked at all, and it would have just... And it would have... And I would have said, nope. It didn't work. So, yeah. Let's see. Maybe I could do... Now, left, top, bottom, right. Let's see. Do I need that? I don't. But it's okay. We could keep the hotspot stuff though. B dot. Let's see. Hotspot. Alright, so let's look at game.c example. Include. Let's include official libs slash box.h. But first I want to add include official libs slash vector2d.h. And then it can include the unofficial libs slash graphics libs.h. Now, I do not have enough I don't have enough knowledge of C to know if this will work or not. It will not work. Cannot open file. Alright, let's see. Oh, duh. It's not libs, it's lib. Are they supposed to be unofficial libs slash? Are they supposed to be? That was my original library right there. But that was the one before, that was the project before I included libraries to make it easier on myself. So, let me figure this out while I take a sip. I did not fill up my water bottle. I'm hoping I have enough for both tonight and tomorrow morning. If not, I'll have to go downstairs and get more. Which is gross. Gross, gross, gross. Alright. So what is going on? Unofficial libs slash graphics lib.h. Are they supposed to be? Is the what no? Are they supposed to be lowercase or something? Rename. Is that it? Is that the problem here? X is not a member of type box. Now that is from the graphics library. Alright, cool, cool, cool. So, X is not a member of type box. Let's see. That is in 25. Oh. Okay. So what is in box? What is in the box H? Position. Position.x. Okay. Position.x. Position.y. O. B. Dot position. No. Maybe. Sure, why not? No, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, ad break. Ad break. Ad break. Ad break. Well, I drank all my water. I was not completely prepared for today's stream. I did not give myself enough time. But you know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. It's alright. Right. Stretch your back. Stretch. I feel like I feel like I am one of those Cocomelon characters. Stretch your arms, pull them up to the sky. Stretch. No. Alright. So, let's add X equals left. I feel like that should be where it goes, but I'm not sure. Wait, no. Yes. Yeah, sure. Why not? B dot position dot y equals top. Ah! Let's see. Position hotspot width height. I guess that would be O B dot width. Or maybe it should be delta position? Nah, I don't know. I have no idea. I'll have to figure it out once. I'll figure out everything else a different time. But what I want to do is I want to make an animate That's what I really wanted to do in this stream. INT frames. I'll add some comments in case anybody else wanted to have this library. And what will happen is you get to use this to animate, but it has to be, I don't know, you'll have to make the frames. Well, okay, it's either that or I make an INT beginner frame. But I don't think I want to do that. I think I want to make things easier for everybody who wants to work on this. So let's add INT. Let's go with F. F for frames per second. Well, frame. We'll do that. I think. Just in case. Frame plus equals 1. Wait, no, why am I doing that? You don't have to do it like that. Jeez Louise. Frame plus plus. If frame equals how about we get how about INT frames per second, where after a few frames it'll get to, I don't know how else to describe it. How about instead of frames it could be regions? Yeah! A wild stream appeared! Stream is confusion! It's super effective! Chat heard itself in its confusion! Hi Maven! It's been a while. I hope you're doing well. I saw what you've been doing with VR chat and stuff, with the 3D model. So far, it's looking really good, except for the fact that it didn't quite work with VR chat. Other than that, the model itself looks really good. I'm a little jealous. I don't have the know-how for that. It's been a battle. Yes. It's been a learning experience. Yes. But what isn't a learning experience, you know? I think I've talked about this in a previous stream. I wonder when something, when it comes to a career, stops becoming a learning experience. Frame equals 0. Integers and booleans. Woo! Woo! Oh wait, integers and booleans in what? INT I. Think I'll. Nah. How do I get to the next? Making integers and booleans for toggles and VR chat. Ooh. What is there a specific programming language, or is it a what you see is what you get type of thing? For some reason, I feel like I need an int I equals 0. And then, I honestly don't know anything about gaming coding. Honestly, with your game dev knowledge, you'd probably get a lot more mileage in the conversion. I doubt that. Oh man, what I'm working on right here is C, and C is difficult. N equals 0, I plus plus. Well, actually, if it can convert to VR, a VRM model to VRTAP, which is what I did first a few years ago. Now that sounds awesome. That's what I want to see. If I is less than frames dot length. Is that how that works? I don't know how that, I don't know if that works in C. Oh well. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. Because I don't know if it's LEN or LENGTH. I wonder if this is something in the source code for the compiler. Oh well. Else I equals 0. And then what we do is we select, we draw, O region equals frames I. How long have you been into coding like this? Oh my goodness, okay. I don't know, but I actually got introduced to Vircon32 sometime last year, but this is the first time I've actually really wanted to dig deep into programming anything for it. I want to make a game for Vircon32 and GBA eventually, because they both use similar languages, C and C++. I think one would be easier to convert to than the other because the C++ library, the C++ engine that I'm going to use for my GBA game would be higher level than C. So, I said this in a story time, but C++ was one of my very first languages. C is very similar, but for the purposes of what I want to do with C and C++, they're practically the same. Hot take, hot take, hot take. Some people love C and other people love C++. Me, I don't care as long as I get to make my video games. I can't use Lua in Vircon32 yet. Though it would be cool if someone actually did make a library to use, or an engine for Vircon32 that uses Lua. That would be the coolest thing. But anyway. Draw. Oh. Let's see if this works. Invalid start of... Is it? Let's see. No, not that. I'm pretty sure there's like a... Gonna have to look at the compiler or something. I'm trying to remember if it's like that or like that, because it is different when 23 30. What? Hmm. I'm trying everything. Let's see. What is it? What about 4? Is it like that or something? Nope. See, I think that would work, but... Invalid start of expression delimiter. Let me Google something real quick. The C compiler in particular is very weird when it comes to things like this. But maybe instead, what I could do is I could do, instead of all this, what I could do is we'll just stick with the int frame. We'll snooze the ads while I explain my reasoning. So, instead, what we'll do is for int, wait a minute, I equals 0, I less than FPS, I plus, I think, no. C plus if T is equal to FPS, then frame plus equals 1. Why do I do that? Frame plus plus. It's the exact same thing as frame plus equals 1, except with fewer characters. Goodness gracious. Alright. Or maybe. Yeah. Okay. O. No, not P. O. Object. Texture. Equals frame. Then draw. Let's try that. Really? Really? Do I need to put all this down here? Is that it? Let's see. Cannot assign struct object to const qualified structure objects. Let's try this. Error needs to be a pointer. Goodness gracious! How about this? Struct object. Maybe like that. Expected an argument type. Goodness gracious! It's weird that it's working for here, but not here. What? Let's see. How about draw O? I don't know. That could work. Right? Oh, that worked! That worked? Alright. This is what still shows up. But that's because I don't have anything in the main C file yet. This is just the library. But what I will do next is I will run an ad. I'll run the ad now because I need to run the ad. I will include in the examples a particular character. And then I will also put in textures and regions and all that, but yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Right, right. Ba-ba-bum, let's see. Games. This. I will add a new folder. I'll put this in images. I'll need to add the images to the game.xml as well, but not yet. Let me find the graphics first. Let me find the particular graphics first. Open a new window. I'm doing this. Let's see. Graphics for games. Where's my Zelda like? I think that would work. Is that it? Yes, that's it. Alright, character.png. And then, what I will do is I will go to the dev tools. And I will add... No, not those dev tools. The region editor. And I will define the regions. Gotta load the texture first. Duh. Alright. Alright. Let me show you what I got. Hold on. Window capture. region editor. There we go. Wow! Okay. Oh, this is what happens when I just start out. Let's see. There we go. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in. We're going to add one of the files. One of the animations. Let's do this one. I'll do this one right here. Mostly because everything else is way too... Ugh. There we go. Maybe this will help everyone figure out what it is I'm doing. Alright, texture name is character, I guess. Let's see. Move all. Okay. How do I... Oh, new. There we go. Must be a valid C identifier. Alright, we'll do character right. Accept. And then... Oof. Goodness gracious. Nope. Okay. There we go. Oh, wait a minute. Edit. Right. 1. Right. 2. Really? Hotspot? No! Wait! Ah! I wanted the hotspot. Let's see. Let's do 9 and 50. Hold on. I'm sorry. I don't have YouTube chat up. There we go. There we go. Right. 2 will be 20. Or maybe not 24, maybe 26? No, 25. Okay. And then we'll do right 3. They do look cute! Oh, I gotta show you where I got these. Let's see. Oh wow, I am terrible at... Now I gotta show you where these come from. Alright. In case anybody wants these are actually not mine. These are from this this Zelda-like tile set and sprites. Right here. Alright. No, not there. You silly. There we go. 4150, that's fine. That's fine. And then right 4. Ooh. That could work. But maybe just a little bit up. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. Hotspot should be in the middle, but it's not in the middle. Why is it not in the middle? Right here. 56. That'll do. Alright, so now what I want to do is I want to export load. I'm going to save project XML. We'll save it as characters.xml. Export the C header. I will save it in C and I'll add it to the main C file. And then I'll also add the other file to the XML. Let's see. The C header. Save it as character header. Character header.c header. And then we get to add them. Right? Where'd it go? Where did I put it? Oh no. Where'd it go? Oh, duh. Okay. That'll work. That'll work. Alright. So, characters.xml. We'll add this to the game.xml. Let me look at this real quick. Texture path. Texture path. Okay. And then we'll add, oh gosh. I mean, it could work. Kinda. We should at least add... I should at least add these to the main file for the example. Then we could do object, character, make object. Where's the texture? Where's the texture? What in the world? I've seen the regions, but not the texture. Maybe it's right here. Huh. Let me look at this one real quick. Okay. Okay. Texture. Name, character. Let's... Nah, maybe not this. Maybe define character 0. I don't know. I don't know if there will be any conflict with this, but it's sure worth a shot. Let's see. Make objects. Of course, I gotta put the graphics library over here. That's the cool part about Codium. Ha ha ha! So we'll do character. We'll do texture. Wait a minute. We'll call it player. Player. Texture. No, player. How about object key? There we go. P. character texture should be, yeah, region. We'll do region right 1, left. Oh gosh. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go back to this right here. So, wait a minute. I have an idea. We could put all this in here. Select texture. Character. There we go. How is that not? Oh, there it is. Wow. Okay. Maybe I don't need these then. Maybe I don't need this object then. Oh well. Well, I probably don't need these though. Then. Or maybe I can add. Let me look at it from the perspective of the space shooter. Maybe that could work. I made an object thing somewhere within this Vircon lid. I don't know. I make things complicated for myself. Okay, but you know what? It's okay. We can simplify things then. We could just make an object X and Y then. Or rather, what's it gonna look like? Happy June! Let's see. What does it look like? What does it look like? Oh my goodness, so cute. So cute! Oh. Oh, it's shocked. It looks haunted. It does. This little guy does look haunted. I do not mind though. He's a little haunted cinnamon roll. I keep calling everything cinnamon rolls. Alright, so, anyway. Yeah, we definitely still need the texture and region for this. We don't need this left, top, bottom, all this. I don't think. You make me want cinnamon rolls. Sorry, not sorry. Let's do INDX, INDY. Oh, you know what? Nah. Let's keep all that. Let's keep all that. Let's start with defining, we'll do region. Region right 1. Left. Top. I think. think that's how I want to work things. Cannot assign. Do I need... Oh, okay. Yeah, we need it ampersand. Ampersand P. Nothing so far, but you know what? That's good because that means that we can keep going. That means we can keep going. Draw and P. I wonder if this will work. I almost did Control R. We're not doing a we're not doing a TKD stream today. This is C, not Lua, for one thing. And for two, I'm using Vircon32, not some game dev suite for the console. What? That would be interesting though. Let's run the ad. Gosh. Oh wait, I snoozed it! I snoozed it! I thought I ran the ad! No! No! I said run the ad, not snooze! Ah, there we go. Stretch, arms, stretch, back, stretch. Oh, that was good. That was real good. I love it. I love it. Oh, the things I do for family. Once again, blame my brother. Blame my brother. He suggested it, not me. Though, I mean, this is fun. This is actually fun. Alright, so we're back. And I must do a certain thing. While true. I must do that. And then I need to add the clear screen. I'll do this. I'll just copy and paste something that I've done before. There we go. See what we do here. Come on. Ooh. I don't think that's what's supposed to happen. How about this? P dot position dot x equals 100. P dot position dot y equals 100. Then we'll see what happens there. P. Oh, duh. It's gotta be capital P. Oh, no. I said capital P. What is wrong with me? Gosh. Gosh. Try it again. Nope. Oh wait, I gotta save. Save, then compile. Position. It's not a member of type object. Oh, wait a minute. B. B. Duh. Man. Alright. Can you guys hear that okay? I hope so. Okay, looks like it. What in the world? Why is it just an exclamation mark? Let's try something. Select texture, character, select region, region right 1, draw region at 100, 100. Because that looks like an exclamation point. Part? Why does it look like that? Okay, hold on. Let's try region rights 2. Oh wow, that looks loud. Why is it that? Okay. What if I called it player? Wait a minute, what am I doing? I don't need to do that here. No, instead I need to change it here. Player. And then, oh, wait a minute, I think I forgot to add it to, okay, I think I know what's wrong. I think I know what is wrong, and it's not this, and it's not this. It is actually the make.bat. I need to change the make.bat file. So let me do that real quick. Let me go to Games, Graphics Library Example, make.bat, edit to Notepad. Let's see. I needed to add. Let's see. IMG. Right? Okay, hold on. IMG. That character. Slash. Character.png. To objects. Where is it in the game XML? Character.png. Character.png. Character.vtext. Let me look at this one real quick. Yeah. I should do object texture path object slash, well, no, not object slash. Maybe I should do object slash. Let me double check there. Yeah, object slash character.vtext. Okay. Okay. Unless it's that. I don't know. Oh gosh. Okay. Let's try this. vtext. vtext. Object slash character.vtext. I'm surprised that I needed all that for the XML, but you know what? It's okay. It's fine. We'll deal with it. Okay. Cannot find element textures inside ROM definitions. Let me look at the let me look at a different vtexture.xml. This is right, yeah. Oh, that's it? Okay. Okay. I don't need all this. What about textures? Textures. There. Textures. There. Sheesh. Let's see. Cannot open the texture file. And why not? I convert the texture slash character.png, this right here, to something over here, but it's not working. It's not working. Character.vtext. Why? Why is it not able to open texture file? Let's look at XML here. Texture path, textures. Texture path, textures. Object slash character slash vtext. That's what's supposed to happen. But it doesn't want to open texture file. It doesn't want to convert. Let's see. Character.png. CHARACTER. I'm not sure what's going on. Let's see. Let me look at properties. Ooh. Does it have to do with... Oh, wait a minute. I think I know what the problem was. Oh, that worked. Okay. Okay. It was working. For some reason, my antivirus gives PNG to Vircon.exe a false positive, so that means it's working. I had to update the DevTools recently, so just give it a bit. Look! It's working! It's working! Let me get it all bigger and stuff. Yay! It's working. Look, look, look. Okay, so now that I know the issue, I'm like Anakin Skywalker in episode 1. It's working! It's working! Alright, so now that we know that this was not the problem. Ugh, man. I want to figure out a way to make that easier. Oh gosh, okay. But you know what? It's all good. Okay. So now we save this. Go back here. Pack it all up. Yay! I actually kind of wonder if I can scale it up. I forgot if I could scale it up. Is that part of something? I wonder. Let's see, we don't need this anymore. But I'll save it. Can I scale? This is something I would need to figure out. Let's see. Vircon, no, not Vircon32. Let's see. What's B-Box? B-Box. Bounding boxes as a 2D generalization. 1D intervals. General operations with them. B-Box. I'm a B-Box and blueberry. No. Alright. Anyway. That's actually box. Can I scale? Nope. I'll have to... Well, actually, you know what? What we could do is we could look at the API. Come look at the API with me, guys. Here, come look at this. Let's see, we're gonna look at video. And we're going to look at select texture, select region, define region. Blending mode. Zoomed. Jaws are currently with scaling enabled. At the specified position on the screen. Let's try it. Let's try it. I actually kind of want to try draw. Void draw zoomed. Oh wait, hold on. There we go. I'm putting it over here. Void draw. Draw zoomed. Object. O. Select. Texture. We're gonna copy paste these. We'll put them here. But we're gonna do draw region. Zoomed at. Right? Right. Let's see. Yes. Zoomed at. Alright. Draw. Zoomed. Nope, that's kind of weird. That's a little weird. What do you mean? What do you mean? Ah! What in the world? What in the world? This is not what I hoped. What happened? What does it mean? Warning, argument. Right is not used. Bottom is not used. In 12. Oh. Yeah, it's right. It is correct. Dot right equals, I know. I don't even know. Width? Width. Width? I don't even know if that's even part of the box. That is not part of the box. Well, I mean it is, but it's not part of position. Sheesh. Oh, wait a minute. And I need to close that now. Goodness gracious. That means close. Console close. Alright, b.width is equal to right minus left and O b dot height equals bottom minus top? Top minus, is it top minus top? Bottom minus top. Bottom minus top, I think. I think it's bottom minus top. Let me look at. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Because if I go to my unofficial Vircon lib. Okay, we're actually gonna snooze this time. I'm gonna mean to snooze. We're just gonna do this real quick. I'm just doing this for curiosity's sake. Let's see, where is it though? Vircon lib. Here we go. It's this one. Define region at left, top, right, bottom. Yeah. So, yeah. Why do I still have this up? I really shouldn't. All right. Yeah, I think that's all I'll do today. It's a short stream, but it was at the request of my brother. But, yeah. It was fun though. It was so fun to try out making a graphics library. If I do this again, I will definitely work on the animate one. I'll definitely see if the animated one works, or if I need to redo some stuff, you know? Yeah. But in the meantime, I will be back. Oh, I will be back on Saturday. I don't know if there will be any other random streams going on between now and Saturday. But what I will say is that next time will be art. We'll be doing some pixel art drawing stuff. And it will be fun because if what the current poll says is gonna happen, I'm going to make a Game Boy game. So that'll be less of an issue for me when it comes to my coding skills. So stay safe, have a very good rest of your day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!